Alright, we're going to cut glass with the wire reinforcement in it. Here's how you do that. First you measure. Straight edge. Make sure it's well supported on both sides. Simple glass cutter. If you want to oil it, cuts a lot better. And then a straight line. That's simple. Take this one out. And it snaps. Right there. Now you got to get the wire out. So tip this up. Take this piece of wood out so it's resting without stress on it. Have you take a utility knife, put a clean sharp blade in it. And you don't want this to try to bend it and snap it because you'll break the glass. So you take the utility knife, bend it a little, and then just start cutting the wire. And you go over it with the utility knife a few times, it'll break. There we go. Nice clean break. Okay.